lady who was in a coma for 2 years. I guess she woke up from the coma and she could answer yes or no questions.
Right.
And she basically answered a question, yes, that it was her brother that attacked her and put her in this coma.
This person just coming out of a coma then gives information that could be used to charge somebody for attempted murder or maybe even murder if she ends up dying. And if I was the brother, I'd go, well, she's clearly out of it. She's been in a coma.
Right.
Can we really trust what she's saying to be truthful right now?
And being, yes and no questions, it could have been leading or...
Sure.
Well, it's evidence, right? So, of course, if it ever went to trial, the defense is going to attack that evidence, just like you're saying. But most likely the investigators are going to take that piece of evidence and try to look further into it to see if there's other evidence that supports it. Because the other issue that they may have is, while they may, depending on her state, whether she wakes up or passes away, that the evidence may or may not be available to testify. Now, there is a provision under the evidence code that if someone is unavailable to testify, that you could use prior statements that may typically be considered hearsay in certain situations.
Interesting.
They're probably going to want more evidence to go along with that, but that may point the investigators in the right direction. If they can find more evidence, then they may bring charges.
The crazy thing about it is you have the victim telling you kind of, this is the person.
You just don't know.
Yeah.
You don't know how accurate it
and
is.
They're the best possible witness in this situation, but there's so many extenuating circumstances around it.